Everyone wants to color grade their pictures and videos, but there are three common mistakes people always make, and these mistakes makes their videos so much boring. Number 1. Don't feel that more is better. You need to know color grading is not the process to make your video more saturated, more exposed, more contrasty. This is the process of manipulating the color of images or video to achieve a stylistic dramatic look. So there is no need to increase or decrease any slider without any reason. Number 2. Always try to make the skin tone natural. If your image or video contains human subject, then try to make the skin tone natural or close to natural. It will make your image or video more cinematic. Number 3. Basic correction is the first step of color grading. Before tweaking colors, complete basic correction. Adjust lighting, shadows, and highlights. This can transform your boring images or videos into cinematic. If you want to play with the colors, you must do this. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to this channel.